A man who was wrongfully charged following a child sex trafficking investigation is taking RCMP to court. In court documents, Scott Taylor says he suffered verbal and physical assaults after being named as a suspect in the case. And he says it should have been fairly easy for investigators to realize he was not the person they were looking for.
I had to hide. I had to go in hiding. Literally had to go in hiding, and my house was vandalized. I had so many death threats, like endless amount of threats. I'm scared.
Taylor spoke with CTV News last summer sporting a black eye. He was charged with obtaining sexual services for consideration from a person under 18. His house, which he's since moved out of because of safety concerns, was also spray painted with the words "certified pedo." About 2 weeks later, the charges were stayed and RCMP issued a corrected statement to the media and public. In his statement of claim, Taylor alleges a complainant told police one of the suspects had his name, but also had a beard, worked for Canadian National Railway, and had lived with the complainant's mother. Taylor says none of that evidence applies to him, aside from the name, which he says is fairly common. And investigators should have figured that out before arresting him and making the charges public. The Attorney General of Canada is also named as a defendant, as Taylor's suit alleges the Crown prosecutor should have stayed the charges sooner. He's seeking unspecified damages for mental suffering, loss of income, legal fees, and general damages.